Aantsman.
Oh, there. On the vibes.
One Yeyball Genna, man. Aantsman, man. I know it come down, man. Hey, you see the whole I'm out of you from stoplight to stoplight. Hey, wanna big up on yourself, man. Sanders, Jelly, and you know it come down.
View, man.
You know how that go.
From stoplight to stoplight, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up all of the fans and the support of them.
Right,
big up THM Music. Big up management, Jimbo.
Father Jim. God is good enough, man. You hear that? Yo, you know the thing coming up, man. We're going to go so boom and go straight into the vibes.
Yeah, right.
Look now, man.
Straight into the vibes.
We are going straight into the vibes. What was...
W that stands
W.
Whoa.
Sometimes all them stand for W that coming up.
Yeah, that is stand for W that. I'm not seeing that still. But W.
Sometimes you have a W stand so we.
Website. Yeah, we don't know.
I want to Warner Brothers.
I don't know that still.
You know Warner Brothers. You never used to watch Disney World, man.
No.
Sometimes I watch Disney World with the big nose man, them, the Pinocchio. What the man them name? The silly man them. You remember them man name? Mickey Mouse man them.
So that W stand for?
The good I stand for any little thing. All this or two. You don't know that place, eh?
What place is it?
Most country you come from, you don't know Spanish Town. Hey, you don't know Spanish Town.
I send catch you now.
Hey, De La Vega.
De La Vega City.
Hey, big up yourself, Spanish Town.
De La Vega City.
Me want to hear you answer first and I come and say if you ever... I never answer out to nobody. Are you answer? Are you answer? Yeah, you answer. Which parish are the largest parish you think you know?
Remember me small in so every parish large me. So you have to answer.
If you think you could have get it, but members of me tars or sometimes we could have passed the parish and God. But at Kingston, Jamaica, the biggest parish.
What does PNB stand for and PBCJ? I guess PNB stand for Public Broadcasting.
Which part gone host there. I wonder if I do want to have it for a year, because I remember I have yard up there and I see a little bit, a little something up there.
Yeah.
We feel like a lot of them are talking now. What do you think?
I know there's someone is a different
must have one on the Oak Street them are talking or something. Capital of St. Andrew, Kingston. And Kingston are the capital of St. Andrew are Kingston. And St. Andrew are the capital of Kingston. The two of them are two capitals together. Them, so, almost Kingston are the capital. Because look now, look when they, if you notice it and look on the right thing, when you see them right, they see them right the big K.
Yeah, Kingston.
That is a capital K. That is
not a common K. MISSI, PPI, something like so.
I saw it spelled because when I was a little bit going to school when I was a child.
Yeah, if you can't spell that, you know.
If you can spell Mississippi, and you can spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Excuse me, please. Oh Lord, I don't want to pay for no more light again.
No rent, you know. Not paying no rent.
You know, have a rent now still now?
I chew my small.
Not pay for no more light.
Not pay no more.
JPS. Not me. Take me out of it. I'm not paying for no more light.
So how them call it light and it's the bills are heavy? We don't understand.
I think
light bill and it's heavy.
I think they should have called it heavy bill.
Heavy bill, you know.
What do you think about it?
A heavy bill.
I thought them for call it, man.
I bring me back to some bionic days now.
If you have a transfer, I'm going to speak that turn now?
Yeah. I must some heavy duty vehicle, man. You know how I mash up.
I don't want to turn on a heavy duty vehicle. I have to turn on an expensive vehicle. I want to turn it like a Chrysler. One of them vehicles, Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
Because I know some expensive, dear money people would have buy me, you know. I don't want to turn on them little cheap car or them little people that come by and come batter me up a taxi man car.
Yeah.
A minute in stays up on the side. One move, half a chi. I don't want them to carry them to turn it on. I turn Rolls Royce where the artists them drive and
the big art,
the celebrity them. Welcome back to the vibes, man. You know it come down again.
Yeah, back to the vibes, man. Again, welcome back.
You know, might have things that we did go somewhere, but we don't live nowhere. Me know.
What that?
Yo.
How them?
Beetroot. The really smells so good enough. You can't keep it until you give it in. Well, if I'm me, I think it's a child.
Right with my 2 and living with them a choice, you know.
Well, you can hold my right hand, but never with the left hand. I think I might finger them on my right hand, can hold my right hand and can hold my left hand. What do you think about it? Because I think them smarter than me. I try to look through everything, you know. I try to think deep about everything. This looks serious.
This way serious.
They can't use lunes. The Spanish word them are lunes. A lunes in here.
I still the same thing.
You're not say Monday. You say lunes. But that the sign, the way you think all that the sign they mean now.
It's the world and a cup. World Cup.
That no look so. You see one world and one batch look excellent world
No
being
man, it's a
electrocuted.
cup. See the straw there in it also. World Cup man.
That's why you need your answer smart, you know, man.
World Cup. A plane Jamaica flag.
I know that one there.
That one there.
It's the people of Jamaica land we love.
Yeah, that is it.
What's in my cup stays in my gut. In my cup stays in my gut. My cup is in my gut. I never got them sing say.
Ding dong have one name party cup to man. You must say, round up the liquor with the party cup. We are party all night till sun come up. Yeah.
I have a new one, what do you hear? Appear. See them say the pan. Oh, lick on the bird. Lick on the bird. Lick on the bird.
Yeah.
Lick on the bird. Lick on the bird. The bird see me say, hey, you know what, go all dance and see them there. That thing is a kubia, you know. What bird a fly?
And all type of bird, you know. You see picture of them.
Jesus God.
What them say? Time alone a master.
Yeah.
The artist, yeah.
Time of the master, man.
Yeah, man. A time
You
alone a
I don't
master.
tell that. I don't want to song I know in that time. I don't know no other.
See
A
that?
time alone, a master. Yeah.
Welcome back to The Vibes.
Yeah, you know it going on, man. I was still there, see me, we're not going nowhere.
No.
And you know, Yeyball Genna day up on the ground same way. Me and my brother in Aantsman. And you know, we've been raining from the same part from a longer time. And we're still there up on the vibes.
So what's popping?
Yeah. A lot of things popping these last days. And whole heap of things say I go on from there. But you know,
Yeah.
what really I go on from the popping?
Yeah, we're not seeing
I have to respect father, bro. For kind of ease up the curfew a little bit and
we'll
kind of
get
tweak it a little bit where, you know, the entertainment people kind of can express themselves a little more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
More stage show, more party, a lot more promotion can take place now.
I love how the people still work with the protocol same way because I go out there and see the people that work with them protocols. So.
Yeah. What going for we? A lot of things that take place, so we still under the quiet. Like Yeyball said, it's going to take a while for the fans them really see what take place, but a lot been taking place. Once you tune in still and subscribe and follow up with the media.
I want to tell them no madness, go tell them go do this and go grab nobody and go do nobody nothing. They are telling them some things when they can use motivate themselves same way. You know what I mean? So give me that chance there. Go cross there, go view the thing them. Not top follow me.
Yeah man, never.
Just follow me, I want to see some great things happen. You know what I mean? Subscribe on the thing them if you subscribe and go up on the bell, let's click in notification and the whole of the thing them. You know
Everything going to pop up, that's popping.
Man. As the time go by, I'm going to hear a lot from me, Yeyball Genna, and I'm not surprised to hear the collaboration from me and Aantsman because as we say we are artists and we're not with me. We not have no farmer bad mind in me.
Yeah, we have to work together.
For me, we not have no farmer nothing negative, I just positive. Big up PBCJ TV every time again. I remember to check me out on the gram everywhere. All the social media then remember YEYBALL GENNA. Remember good one Yeyball Genna.
Yeah man, and also remember to find me on the social media on Instagram at official Aantsman Music. 2A spell Aantsman, so it's OFFICIAL_AANTSMANMUSIC.
That,
yeah.
that, man.
That
Right,
is
it. God is good.